Hello Techies. In this session, we will test our knowledge on PL500 exam, how to share the cloud flows and desktop flows in Power Automate. Alright, what is the PL500 question here? You develop automation solutions for a company. You need to share the solutions with other users. Which action should you use? If you see in the answer area, I am having two flow types. One is cloud flow, another one is desktop flow. If you look into the actions, there are three actions are available. How to share this cloud flow and how to share this desktop flows. There are three actions has been given. We have to choose the correct action. The first action is that Power Automate portal only. Second action, Power Automate desktop only. And the third action is either Power Automate portal or Power Automate for desktop. As per the requirement, we have to share the cloud flows and the desktop flows with other user. Before answering the question, I will show you how to share the cloud flows and desktop flows practically. Let me switch to the portal, that is make.powerautomate.com. To share our cloud flows or desktop flows, as a prerequisite, we required Microsoft account or work account or school account with upgraded premium account. Without upgrading the premium account, it is not possible to share the cloud flows or the desktop flows. We must require either a Power Automate license, except the free license, or seeded license with Office 365, Dynamic 365 Enterprise plans, Dynamic 365 Professional plans, or Dynamic 365 Team Member, Power App with Canvas and modern driven apps, Power App User Plan, Power App Plan 1, or Power App Plan 2 with Windows license to share a cloud flow or the desktop flow. We must be the creator or owner to add or remove the owners from the cloud flow or the desktop flows. Alright, I have already switched to make.powerautomate.com. Now we'll see how to share the cloud flows or the desktop flows by using Power Automate. Now I'm going for the My Flows by clicking on My Flows from the menu. And there you can see I'm having cloud flows, desktop flows, right? Now, as part of the requirement, I have to share the cloud flows with another user. I'm going to click on cloud flows, and there you can see I'm having a lot of cloud flows such as invoice data, Microsoft data hours, and there you can see I'm having product instant cloud flows and many more. All right. I'm going to take an example over here, that is product instant cloud flow. I want to share this cloud flow with another user. How can I go ahead and do that? There you can see I'm having an option called share, or else I'm going for the more commands, that is three dots over here. Let me click on that. To share this cloud flow with others, I'm going to use share option. Let me click on that. There you can see I'm having co-owners. Adding an owner gives the full control of this flow. So make sure you only share with people you trust. Now I want to share this cloud flow with other users. So that I'm going to add a system user or team as a owner for this cloud flow. I'm going to select the username and then I'm going to click on select. Before you share, you are going to make sure you are going to adding co-owner you trust, and you are going to share the permissions to the user to use the connections for the below. That is the permission that we are having. That is the connection which we are having. That is Power Automate desktop underscore solution. Let me click on OK. There you can see the cloud flow has been shared with another user as part of co-owner or the owner of this cloud flow. All right. This is one of the way that we are going to share the cloud flow by using our portal, that is make.powerautomate.com. Now, coming to the second one, that is desktop flows. I'm going to click on My Flows and then I'm going to select desktop flows. There you can see I'm having a lot of desktop flows which we have created by using our Power Automate for desktop software, right? Now I'm going to select one of the desktop flow, that is NSA automation. And I'm going to select more commands and then I'm going to click on share. Now I'm going to manage the access, choose who can use your flow and set their permissions. I'm going to add the people and then I have selected the user to use this desktop flow. And then I'm going to select save. Now the desktop flow has been shared successfully with another user. All right. Now, is there any other way to share this desktop flow by using Power Automate for desktop software? Let me switch to Power Automate for desktop, and there you can see I have logged in with my user and credentials, and there you can see I'm having a lot of desktop flows which I have created as the owner. Now, let me try to share this NSE automation with another user. There I'm having three dots or commands, and there you can see I don't have any option to share this desktop flow with another user. There I don't find any option over here to share the desktop flow. Now, let me go back to the Power Automate. There you can see to share my desktop flow or the cloud flows with another user, there is only one option that I have. That is, I have to go to my flows and then I have to select cloud flows, and there or the desktop flows. There I am having the option called share option to share the cloud flows or the desktop flows with another user. Now, let me switch back to the PL500 question. There you can see in my answer area, there are two types of flow types that we are having. The first one is that cloud flow, another one is desktop flow. Out of these three actions, to share the cloud flows and the desktop flows, we are having only one option, that is Power Automate portal only, where we can share our cloud flows and the desktop flows. If you're coming for the desktop flow also, there we are going to share our desktop flows by using Power Automate portal only. There is no option to share the desktop flows by using Power Automate desktop. All right. Let me reveal the answer. There you can see to share my cloud flows or the desktop flows, we can share through only Power Automate portal only. All right. I hope you understand how to share the cloud flows and the desktop flows by using Power Automate portal as part of this tutorial.